Okay guys, here's the snow. This is my backyard. There you go. You see it pretty good on the trampoline. See if I can zoom out. Yeah, I can zoom out. There you go. This is the second snow of 2020. 2 days ago, we had a flash flood. Tornado warnings. Tornado touchdown 20 miles from here with my house. Sorry for the cough, but I had to do it. If it sticks on the ground, I will try to do more videos of it sticking on the trampoline. Yeah, that's snow on the trampoline right there. Yeah. I guess it is. I ain't for sure. Might have been a tire place, tour place. I'm about to just go relax a little bit. I just got off work. I figure I'll come and make a little short video to go on YouTube. It ain't much going on now like it was with that flash flood. Matter of fact, if you want to watch that video first, it's right before this one. It was 70 degrees. Heavy winds, pouring down rain, trees getting ripped out of the ground, tornadoes. And now it's 35 degrees and snowing. 2 days later. This weather just don't make no sense. A lot of people, like my dad said, well, God said you'll never know winter from summer, summer from winter. I said, okay, Daddy, that's fine, but I understand where you're coming from. He's a good Christian guy. Look at all that snow. He's a good Christian guy, and I respect him for that. But to me, what the hell's going on? I think the government's got a lot to do with this. But anyway, I'm talking stupid. Oh man, I'm trying to see. I don't know. I want to wait and see if it sticks on the ground. But I want to go relax a little bit. My fiance will be coming over here in a little while. Y'all might hear my TV in the background. Sorry. But, golly, it's letting it down now. I've seen a lot worse than this. My trampoline, well, my son's trampoline, I ain't 5 foot from the house, 6 foot from the house. And it have snowed so hard that you could not see this trampoline. But now you can see the trampoline, you can see what's going on. It's, there's my building, and blah, blah, blah. You done seen this 1,000 damn times. But the only reason I'm holding it right here is because I can't flip my camera over. I might better do it like this. Hey. Yeah, I would just want to show y'all the snow. There's really much more. I don't know why I could talk better without the camera looking at me than I can with the camera looking away from me. But, I just want everybody to enjoy the little snowflakes. Enjoy your day. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. God bless you all. I'm going to turn you back at the camera now. Back at the snow. Oh well, whatever. This is raw videos, no editing, no nothing. So this is all raw. I'll see y'all later. Bye.